Your Android phone will sometimes show notifications on the lock screen or as you're using your phone. But there's also a way to view all notifications in one place in case you missed something. To view your notification center, swipe down from any empty space on your screen. As an iPhone user, I'm used to doing this from the top left corner, but you can do it in the middle of your screen as well. This will show all your notifications. You can tap the little arrow to expand the notification, or just tap the notification itself to be taken to that specific app. You can clear notifications by swiping them to the left, or clear them all by using the button on the bottom right corner of your screen. On bottom left, you have your notification settings. This allows you to choose which apps are included in the list of notifications. If there's an app you don't want notifications from, you can toggle it off from here. You can also disable notifications for certain system functions. Just tap the three dots on the top right corner of your screen, choose Show System Apps, and then use the toggles. And that's how you view all your notifications. Click that like button if this was helpful and subscribe to get more quick and easy guides like this straight into your YouTube feed. Thanks all, I'll see you next time.